In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly create a website in just 10 minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to build any type of website using a simple drag and drop method without any coding knowledge. Let's get started. To begin, we need to secure hosting and a domain for your website. Hosting stores your website files, while the domain is your website's name. Go to the video description and click on the primary link to visit Hostinger, our chosen hosting provider. Select the hosting section and choose web hosting. Scroll down to the web hosting plans and opt for the premium plan, which includes all essential features and a free domain. Click Add to Cart and select your billing cycle. Paying upfront for a longer duration is more economical. Enter your email address and payment details. Complete the payment process and set up your Hostinger account password. Navigate back to the dashboard and claim your free domain by selecting Claim Domain. Choose your domain extension, typically .com, and enter your desired website name to check availability. Fill in your personal or company details to finalize domain registration. Verify your email address by clicking on the validation link sent to your inbox. With that, Step 1, securing hosting and a domain, is complete. Let's proceed to Step 2, installing WordPress. WordPress is the go-to choice for building websites, with over 40% of all websites worldwide created using this platform. To kickstart the process of installing WordPress, head over to the Hostinger dashboard and locate the Hosting section. Within this section, find the Premium Web Hosting option and click on Setup. Next, hit Start Now, followed by Skip, I don't want personalized experience. Opt to create a new website by selecting the appropriate option, then proceed to choose WordPress from the available options. Set a password for your WordPress account and click Continue to move forward. At this stage, refrain from selecting a website template. Instead, click on Skip. Now, choose the domain you already own and click Select. Complete the setup process by clicking on Finish Setup. Next, navigate to Edit Website, and you should be directed to the WordPress dashboard. In case you're not redirected, simply type your domain followed by /wp-admin in the address bar and hit Enter to access your WordPress dashboard. This dashboard serves as the command center for managing your website. By clicking on your domain name located at the top left corner, you can preview how your website currently appears. With Step 2 completed, let's proceed to Step 3, installing a new theme to enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your website. By adding a theme, you can personalize the look and feel of your site to better suit your preferences and needs. Stay tuned for the next step in our journey to creating an impressive website with WordPress. The theme we're going to install is called Astra, which is one of the most popular themes. So let's click on the WordPress icon on the top left to get back to our dashboard, and then go to Appearance and click on Themes. Here, click on Add New, and then search for Astra. Click on Install, and then Activate. Now we also want to install a plugin that will make creating our website a lot easier. So go to Plugins and click on Add New. Then search for Starter Templates and install this plugin. The plugin we've just installed allows us to use pre-made website designs that we can then customize however we want. So let's scroll down to this plugin and click on See Library. Click on Build Your Website Now, and for the page builder, we're going to choose Elementor. Let's delve further into the template selection process. Upon clicking Edit with Elementor, you'll be presented with an array of available templates to choose from. Since you're aiming to create a business website, let's narrow down our search by typing business into the search bar and selecting a template that aligns with your vision. Once the desired template is chosen, take a moment to admire the preliminary design of your new website. To proceed with the installation of the selected template, simply click Skip and Continue. At this stage, you'll have the opportunity to customize various aspects of your website, including colors and fonts, to ensure it reflects your brand identity. After making the necessary adjustments, click Continue to proceed. Upon clicking Submit and initiating the website building process, sit back as your website takes shape. Once the construction phase is complete, navigate to View Your Website to get a glimpse of the initial outcome. You'll notice that placeholder content has been seamlessly integrated, giving you a clear picture of how your website will appear to visitors. Feel free to explore other pages of the website to gain insight into their layout and functionality. With the template installed and your website taking form, let's transition to the fourth and final step, editing the content. This step involves fine-tuning the text, images, and other elements to ensure your website effectively communicates your message and serves its intended purpose. Prepare to unleash your creativity as you embark on this final phase of website customization. Let's start by editing the home page. We first navigate to the home page and then click on Edit with Elementor. Now let's say we want to edit this text. Just click on it and then change the text to whatever you want. To change the text on the button, we also just click on it and then change the text over here. And that's how you can change any text across your entire website. Let's delve deeper into the process of editing images on your website. If you wish to replace an image, simply click on it and then select Choose Image. You can then easily drag and drop your desired image into the designated area and click Insert Media to seamlessly integrate it into your page. Remember to save your changes by clicking Update, located at the bottom left corner of the screen. For a comprehensive view of your website's appearance, you can preview it by clicking on the preview icon. This feature provides you with a real-time glimpse of how your website will look to visitors, ensuring that any modifications are accurately reflected. Having mastered content editing, let's now explore how to customize the header and footer sections of your website. To begin, navigate to the customization options by clicking on Customize. Here, you'll notice pin icons next to each editable element. For instance, to alter the logo, simply click on the pin icon adjacent to it and proceed to upload a new logo. The same process applies to the footer section. Click on the pin icon and make the necessary changes. Once you're satisfied with the modifications, click Publish to implement them across your website. With the header and footer customized to your liking, let's move on to adding a new page to your website. This step involves expanding your website's content and enhancing its navigational structure. Stay tuned as we delve into the intricacies of adding new pages and optimizing their layout and functionality to further enrich your website's user experience. We just come over here to New and then click on Page. Here, give the page a name and then click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up a new blank page. Now, we can build our new page by dragging and dropping in elements from the left side and then customizing them however we want to. Or we can also just use a pre-made template for the new page. So when we click on this icon, we'll see some templates that we can use. We can click on them and see how it looks. And if you like it, just click on Insert and then click Apply. And now we can edit each part of the page the same way as before. So let's click on Publish and then preview the site. Now, to add this new page to the navigation menu, let's click on Customize and then click on Menus, Primary Menu. Here, you can make changes to your top navigation menu. So let's click on ADD Items and add our new page here, then let's click on Publish. And now the navigation menu is updated. So that was how to quickly and easily make a website. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel to see more videos just like this one.